Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take cod liver oil liquid. First, select a high-quality cod liver oil from a trusted brand to ensure purity and effectiveness. Always check the product label for specific instructions, as dosages can vary slightly between brands. Have a clean spoon or a precise measuring device, like a 5 milliliter spoon, ready for accurate dispensing. This preparation ensures you get the right amount and maintain good hygiene. Now let's talk about dosage and consumption. Most adults typically take 1 teaspoon, which is about 5 milliliters daily. You can take this directly from the spoon, or if you prefer, mix it into a small amount of juice, a smoothie, or even yogurt. Taking your cod liver oil with a meal can help reduce any potential fishy aftertaste and improve absorption. Consistency is key for experiencing the full benefits. Managing the flavor is often a concern for many. Chilling your cod liver oil in the refrigerator before you take it can significantly lessen its taste intensity. After taking your dose, immediately follow it with a strong flavored drink, such as orange juice or a mint tea, to quickly mask any lingering taste. Proper storage is also vital. Always refrigerate the bottle after opening to preserve its freshness and potency for several weeks. Finally, let's discuss the benefits and the importance of consistency. Regular intake of cod liver oil supports overall heart health and strengthens your immune system. It is a rich source of vital omega-3 fatty acids, including EPA and DHA, and also provides beneficial vitamin D. To truly experience these advantages, make taking your cod liver oil a consistent and integral part of your daily wellness routine. Your body will thank you for it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.